So we found this awesome stuff at Home Depot. It's by 3M. It's this combination. It has the blue tape already on it with the painter's plastic. Fantastic for prepping. We're going to insulate the roof and the sides today. So this has been so helpful in speeding the process up. Today's task is one that I have been dreading. It's not something I've been looking forward to. We will be cleaning off the excess spray foam. I have a lot of anxiety and a little bit of OCD. So looking at the bus in its current condition makes me a little bit crazy. It looks super dirty and a little bit overwhelming. So this samurai sword contraption was a suggestion to get off of Amazon. It's actually for cutting spray foam insulation. So we'll put a link to that. It's working pretty well. See if I can keep all my fingers. Okay, so the samurai sword was all fun and worked, but an angle grinder and a wire wheel work much better. So we're gonna switch to that. I look like the inside of a snow globe.
Huh?
I look like the inside of a snow globe.
With a pretty, pretty princess. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a piece of 2x4 pressure treated to come up against the back door. We have like a not typical back door, so it's a little larger opening. So we want to make sure we start off with something that's going to be slightly higher than our floor, so it gives us a little lip. We also want to put something back here that is better to handle the elements that it could see, you know. Hopefully we'll have the back door sealed up well, but obviously you never know when we might get a little leak here. So first we're gonna attach this with some liquid nail. Don't mind our wiring nightmare right here. And we'll work out from here. We had a slight goof on our video for our insulation install, so we don't really have a lot of footage to show you, but it's pretty basic. I'm sure you've seen it 100 times. We went with Pink Panther insulation, 1/2 inch.
To install our subfloor insulation, we simply laid the sheets down with a little bit of liquid nail, cut around the wheel wells, and taped the seam with insulation tape.
So we've got 1/2 inch OSB plywood to go on next. Somebody forgot to mark for the fuel sending unit.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna make a small adjustment real quick. The sending unit is inside your fuel tank. Its job is to feed information to your fuel gauge to let you know how much fuel is in your tank. Every bus has a hole in the floor to access this. Let us know you like this video by giving it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We appreciate every one of you. Also, be sure to ring that bell. We had a little FUBU with our video. FUBU. What is FUBU? What am I trying to say? What are you thinking?
I'm so tired.
You're so tired?